Hey happy souls, this video is about cleaning the fuel filter and I am Tamizh Iyanthiran. Put the fuel tap in off position and take a 10 mm spanner and remove the bottom tank of the fuel filter. The petrol may leak around the corners, so keep a cloth and remove the tank. Unplug the fuel filter and the O-rings. You could see the sediments of the petrol. Clean it with a butt or fuel or with WD-40. Clean it thoroughly and put the deposits in a safer place. Stay away from lights, matchbox and igniting elements. Also clean the filter. This is the bottom view of the filter seating area. It sits in a certain position, so align it properly and insert it. Plug the fuel filter and the O-rings properly. With the help of the bottom fuel tank, screw it and unscrew it. After ensuring whether the filters are seated in position, screw it and lock it with the 10 mm spanner. After tightening, put the fuel tap in on position or in reserve position to check the fuel leak. If it leaks, remove it and change the O-rings.